My name is Dr. Leonard Egede, and over the past 2 decades, I've embarked on a journey driven by passion, dedication, and the unwavering desire to address the structural inequalities that profoundly affect the health of individuals living with diabetes. It all began during my residency in Baltimore, where I witnessed significant variations in the quality of care for individuals with diabetes. It became clear to me that the existing structure was inadequate for meeting the required standards. Fueled by determination to make a difference, I developed standardized processes that were embraced by residency programs. This transformation led to a tangible improvement in the quality of diabetes care provided. Upon my move to Charleston, South Carolina, I was confronted with a disheartening reality: a limited uptake of diabetes education among adults with type 2 diabetes. This revelation served as a catalyst for change. With the support of a grant from the NIH, I conducted a groundbreaking study. Through telephone-delivered education and skills training, we aimed to bridge the gap and enhance the effectiveness of diabetes care. The evidence we uncovered in this study was so compelling that it led to the adoption of telephone education as a standard delivery method, revolutionizing the reach and impact of diabetes education. In Charleston, I also recognized the need to address disparities in care for adults with diabetes in rural areas. This led me to embark on a Department of Defense-funded study. I pioneered a telehealth-based intervention that incorporated home telemonitoring and medication titration. The remarkable success of this program resonated far beyond our expectations. It prompted the statewide implementation of this initiative, effectively improving glycemic control for rural adults with diabetes across the entire state. My journey continued as I settled in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, where I was determined to expand my research and deepen our understanding of how social determinants of health impact adults with diabetes. I laid the foundation with the Come Alive Milwaukee program, made possible by the Advancing Healthier Wisconsin Foundation. Through this program, I forged partnerships with community organizations across the region, cementing our commitment to making a difference. With the invaluable support of 3 NIH R01 grants, my research efforts gained momentum. These grants enabled large community-based randomized controlled trials aimed at integrating medical and social needs to enhance outcomes for adults with diabetes. This crucial work allows us to address the multifaceted challenges faced by those living with this condition. I also recognize the importance of nurturing future leaders in academic medicine. To that end, I established the Health Equity Research Group, a dedicated team of 8 faculty members and 35 staff. Together, we strive to generate evidence that drives practice and policy change. Our collective efforts have resulted in recruitment of over 5,000 participants into our research studies, including over 2,000 adults with diabetes. Supported by funding from NIH and the American Diabetes Association, our trials are focused on improving glycemic control and enhancing quality of life. Currently, the Health Equity Research Group is engaged in a range of studies, both locally and internationally. We are conducting 3 NIH R01-funded community-based clinical trials that seek to integrate social and medical needs, ultimately improving clinical outcomes and quality of life for adults with type 2 diabetes. Additionally, we have secured 2 NIH R21s, 3 NIH grants, and 2 ADA Career Development Awards, all aimed at piloting community-based clinical trials addressing the social and medical needs of adults with type 2 diabetes and diabetic kidney disease. Furthermore, we are embarking on a new NIH R01 grant delving into the impact of structural racism on health outcomes and exploring potential policy interventions. In addition, as a principal investigator, I'm leading an NIH R21 grant investigating the biological, social, and behavioral factors influencing diabetes outcomes in Lebanon. Now, looking ahead, my work will continue to focus on 4 fundamental areas. First, we are dedicated to addressing the structural inequalities that affect the social and medical determinants of health in adults with diabetes. Second, we are committed to training the next generation of change agents in academic medicine, empowering them to make lasting contributions in the field. Third, we aim to empower communities through place-based initiatives and research that tangibly changes lives. And finally, we aspire to expand our impact internationally, contributing to the global fight against diabetes through innovative research. I'm truly grateful for the opportunity to share my journey with you today. I remain resolute in my mission to improve the lives of individuals living with diabetes. Together, we can make a difference and create a future where every person affected by this condition receives the care and support they deserve.